Hi, my name is Hayden, and then I got a very exciting thing to show you guys. My favorite nice aunt named Rose gave me this, and I like her because, and Uncle Andrew's very nice. So they gave me this package of makeup. I got two makeup, but one is just here. So this one I'm gonna open. So in the back it got a tape. This is for like girls. These are makeups. So but not like kids. It's kids makeup. So open this. Take the tape off of it. And then we're gonna take off all of this tape because it got a lot of tape. Then let's open it. It got a side. If you open it, then it got this side and two sides. And then we're gonna take this out. And we got this package open. And then in the top, it got a case. So, you get this off. And then we got our makeup opened. And then I take our makeup from here. And then it got some glitters. And it got a brush. And it got some eyelashes. And then it got like eyelashing. I don't know what to tell you. And then it got some lipsticks. Then it got a pedicure. So I like the glitters. See? Like this color. You can't see it that much, so this color, it's kind of shiny, so. And then, you know how to fold it. See, this end goes right down this plate. And then this end goes right in the bottom. So you got 3 munchkins. When you open it, it does like that. Like our mirror is a heart. Then when you close it, it got a heart. And then this is so cool because this is only a little bit, and you can carry in your backpack. And then it's so pretty. It got a glittery heart. It's blue. So I'm very thankful to Aunt Rose and Uncle Andrew because those are my only uncle and aunts. I got a Korean aunt, so, but she is very nice too. I love them all. So everyone, see you next time. Goodbye.